Good evening, everyone. This is one of our last course announcement videos. As you probably realize, we're in Module 13, and we just have a few more to go. So thank you for your work on your elevator pitches during this module, and keep trying. If you haven't been successful, remember you do need to use a recording software either through your webcam that comes with your computer, or you can use a Screencast-O-Matic, as I've been kind of pointing out over the past few weeks to do that. Make sure that the video you upload to the assignment is a link and not the video itself. It takes too long to upload that, to download it if someone needs to watch it. So it's better that you upload it directly to YouTube, or let Screencast-O-Matic host that on their site as well. And that way we can watch each other's video much easier and make comments on those. Don't forget to keep working on the final draft of your IDP and your reflection paper. Those are due in the next couple of weeks, so just making sure that everything is in order. I do have your IDPs graded, as you know, and I've also graded your ePortfolio, so if you want to look at that and have comments, please let me know about that. Overall, your ePortfolios look good, and good start. Don't forget that as we move ahead into your upper division courses that you'll be taking, you'll be filling up the ePortfolio with assignments or artifacts reaching each of those 6 MDS outcomes. So keep that in mind as you take your courses, that any great assignment that you've finished and you feel is really exemplary of your work, go ahead and add that to your ePortfolio as you do those, so that by the time you get to MDS 400, your ePortfolio will be already complete and you won't have much to do. When you get to MDS 400, we will revisit your ePortfolio and make sure that you do have an artifact and justification and all of the things we need for each of the 6 MDS program outcomes. So it's good to keep that kind of in the front of your mind as you take your upper division courses. Coming up in Module 14, you will have a chapter of your textbook to read, and it's up to you which chapter you want to choose, as we've done in the past, and go ahead and post on that in the discussion board, and we'll have a couple different discussions going on about those topics. And then there's also a peer review of your reflections presentation. So the reflections presentation is due in Module 15, the final presentation, but you do have a chance to kind of test that out with your peers and see how you're doing, so they can kind of take a look at what you've done and make any comments that they might have, looking at the rubric that I'll use to grade your final presentation when it's due in Module 15. Just a warning, take a look at the points assigned to that assignment for the peer review. It's for your benefit, so it's up to you whether you want to do that or not, but I think it's a good way to get some feedback on how you sound, how you look, what your presentation is doing, and if it covers all the bases you need to cover by the time it gets to Module 15. So just a few more weeks to go. Hopefully you have a really good idea of what classes you want to take. We do have one more final version of your IDP to submit, your final draft of your reflection paper, and then the presentation, and those are pretty much the main 3 assignments that are coming up. So if you have any questions on any of those or having any trouble, please let me know, and if I don't hear from you, I'll definitely see you online. Thanks.